Now, last night on the show, we had some late breaking news on Warren Buffett's portfolio, the 13F for Berkshire Hathaway coming out. We know they trimmed their stake in Apple by about 3 million shares, got rid of Oracle altogether, so all those good jokes about Oracle and Oracle, they're all done. He got into Red Hat, talked about the merger arb there. Anything else stand out to you in the moves that were made in that portfolio?
I mean, I've been talking about Apple, but I'm kind of over it. I thought it was a really big deal, and now that I've processed it,
right.
I think it's not as big a deal. It was my top take yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm wrong?
I think what's interesting about the Apple stake has always been interesting, right?
Like, but the fact that, I mean, them trimming it down, I guess I thought it was just the idea that last fall and at the lows, I thought for sure Todd and Ted were going in more. But
well, I think,
and now that they didn't, but I'm also thinking, you know what? It's not that they're out of it. So they got out of Oracle and they didn't get out of Apple.
I think the real standout was the addition they made to the JP Morgan stake, right?
The financials, and you're seeing that today.
Yeah, and they have 50 million shares now at JP Morgan, which, by the way, is interesting because Warren Buffett for years kind of said, I wish I had bought JP because it's such a good stock, and then never did. And now he's buying it hand over fist. I mean, I think the Apple thing was probably just kind of taking some tax losses, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's what
kind
you
of
gotta do.
After 24 hours of looking at it, it feels a little bit less exciting than it did at the time. And I do think people are latching onto the financials, which is one of the reasons that we're actually seeing financials doing pretty well today here. Leading sector, you know, obviously helping us lift up here across the board. But they're not on my 52-week highs for today. I got some other good ones. All
right, we'll get to those later. You want to do now?
I just wanted to do one. I just wanted to do one.
All right, let's do the group.
Boeing.
52-week high.
Yeah.
Wow.
There you go.
Anything
Take
else?
that. No, I'm going to save the others.
Okay, fine. We'll do the best in show. Jen Rogers is best in show.